If you're looking for help fixing your Unique refrigerator, look no further. Our comprehensive Unique Refrigerator Troubleshooting Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Water leaking on the floor. One cause of water leaking onto the floor is a blocked defrost drain. The defrost drain is typically located on the back wall of the freezer, right above the slope from the floor to the back. A buildup in food particles or debris can clog the drain hose, leading to ice buildup and water leaking out of the freezer and fridge. To fix this, try draining the hole from the inside using warm water. Use a long, slender instrument such as a pipe cleaner or turkey baster to remove the clog. If this doesn't get the job done, you might have to manually remove the buildup that is clogging the valve at the end of the drain hose. Locate the defrost drain hose in the back of the service panel by pulling your fridge away from the wall. This hose should have a rubber valve that helps catch debris and prevent clogging. Wash the valve with hot water and soap, then reinstall. Freezer isn't cold enough. Is your perishable food spoiling quickly, or are you just noticing that your freezer isn't as frosty as it should be? This is a common problem that is usually an easy fix. If you notice this problem in your freezer unit, check if the back wall of the freezer is cold. If it is cold, check if you can hear the evaporator fan running or if you can feel air flowing from the freezer vents. If you can't, then it is most likely a problem concerning the freezer evaporator fan. If you can feel the air flowing and hear the fan running, you should check on the refrigerator's compressor. Clean any dust that could be preventing air from moving across the coils. These are condenser coils that release heat from inside the fridge into the room. Unit is cycling too often. Nobody likes a noisy fridge. Not only is it inconvenient because of the constant noise, but it can also cause your energy bill to run high, taking quite the toll on your wallet. There are a few things that can cause your fridge unit to cycle too often, one being a buildup of debris or dust around the condenser coils. To fix this, you want to begin by unplugging your fridge. The condenser coils are usually located on the very bottom of your fridge and can be accessed from the front or the back. To find the condenser coils, first locate the grill and remove it by popping out the snaps that hold it in place. After doing this, use a small vacuum to remove the buildup of dust or debris around the condenser coils. You may even need to use a cloth to remove any buildup in those hard-to-access places. Once all of the debris and dust is removed, put the grill back on and plug the refrigerator back in. Fresh food compartment is warming up. Before we can discuss the solution to this problem, it is important to understand the connection between your refrigerator and your freezer unit. Typically, the cold air generated by refrigerators comes from the freezer unit, which then flows into the fresh food section of your fridge. Therefore, if your fresh food compartment is warming up, it is most likely because you have an airflow problem. Your freezer contains an evaporator fan that is responsible for moving the cold air from the freezer into the fresh food compartment in the fridge. This air moves through a diffuser, which is located in the back of the fresh food section of your fridge. If you can hear the evaporator fan running or can feel air blowing from the freezer vents and are still facing an issue, your diffuser duct may be clogged with ice. This is preventing air from passing through and is oftentimes caused by the door being left open for a long period of time.